All praises to the Most High, Yeshua, Jesus Christ. I want to start off giving praise to the Most High because at this time, spiritual warfare is very heavy. I'm definitely picking up a lot of energy of people being enraged, being angry, being unsettled. And so when they look at you, child of God, daughter of God, son of God, when they look at you and you appear to have a solid foundation, you appear to be steady and literally, you're not shaken about the things that's happening within this matrix, within this 3D paradigm, they may try to come at you, they may try to invalidate you, they may feel as if you are an easy target, easy prey, but just trust and know that them coming up against you, child of God, is literally like stepping on a landmine. They don't want this. They do not. But many of them are deceived in thinking because you have a gentle spirit, they are deceived to think that, okay, this person believes in God, believes in the Most High, that, this is going to be somebody that I can bully, somebody that I can, project all my negativity on. That is not the case. Trying to put your light out is only going to unleash holy wrath onto them, not by your own doing. So remain steadfast in the truth and understand too. Matthew 7:1-5 speaks in regard to first examining our own hearts. All right, so it is you mirroring a sense of power, a sense of being sure of yourself. Even when there seems to be a lot of uncertainty around you, it's because you are cultivating your connection with God on a daily basis. And their attempts to literally put your light out is going to leave them in the dark.